Hey, Sam. Long time no see.
Hi, Gorge. Yeah, it's been a while. How have you been?
I've been good, just busy with work. What about you?
Same here. Work's been hectic, but I can't complain. How's everything at your end?
It's been all right. I'm trying to balance work and personal life, but it's tricky.
I can imagine. Are you still working at the same company?
Yes, I am. It's been almost 2 years now. How about you? Still at your place?
Actually, no. I switched jobs a few months ago.
Oh wow. That's great. How's the new job?
It's going well so far. The team is nice. And the work is challenging but fun.
That's awesome. Are you working from home or going to the office?
Mostly from home, but I go to the office a couple of days a week. What about you?
Same here. It's a good balance, don't you think?
Yeah, I enjoy working from home, but sometimes I miss the office environment.
I totally get that. I miss chatting with colleagues over coffee breaks.
Exactly, virtual meetings just aren't the same.
So, what do you do in your free time these days?
I've been getting into cooking lately. It's pretty relaxing.
Really? That's cool. What have you been cooking?
Mostly simple dishes, but I tried making homemade pizza last week.
Wow, homemade pizza. That's impressive.
It wasn't perfect, but it tasted pretty good. How about you? Any new hobbies?
I've been trying my hand at painting. It's been fun, but I'm not very good yet.
That's great. It's always nice to try something creative.
Yeah, it helps me unwind after a long day. Do you still play the guitar?
Occasionally, but not as much as I used to. I've been too busy with work.
I understand. It's hard to find time for everything.
Exactly, but I'm trying to make time for things I enjoy.
That's important. We all need a good work-life balance.
Definitely. Have you traveled anywhere recently?
Not really, but I'm planning a short trip next month. How about you?
I went on a weekend getaway a couple of weeks ago. It was nice to get a break.
That sounds lovely. Where did you go?
Just a nearby beach town. It wasn't far, but it was very relaxing.
A beach trip sounds perfect. I should plan one soon.
You definitely should. It's nice to get away from the city for a while.
Agreed. Do you prefer the beach or the mountains?
I like both, but if I had to choose, I'd pick the beach. What about you?
I think I prefer the mountains. There's something peaceful about them.
Yeah, I get that. The fresh air and the views are amazing in the mountains.
Exactly. It's like a breath of fresh air, literally.
So true. Do you have any big plans for the rest of the year?
Not really. Just focusing on work and maybe a few small trips. You?
Same here. I'm hoping to take a longer vacation at the end of the year, though.
That sounds great. Any idea where you'd like to go?
I'm thinking somewhere in Europe, but it depends on how things go.
Europe would be amazing. I hope you get to go.
Thanks. I'll let you know if the plans come together.
Please do. It was really nice catching up, Sam.
Yeah, it was. Let's not wait so long to meet up next time.
Agreed. Let's grab coffee soon.
Sounds like a plan. Take care.
You too, Sam. Talk soon.